Remember the days when searching for information online felt like hunting for a needle in a haystack? You type in a question and bam, a tsunami of links, articles, ads, and irrelevant tidbits would flood your screen. Hours later, you'd have 20 tabs open, a headache, and maybe a few answers if you were lucky. It was like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. No need to worry, we have an AI tool to assist. This advanced search engine uses cutting-edge technology and understands natural language, making your search experience smooth and efficient. With Perplexity, finding what you need online becomes an easy and enjoyable journey. Introduction to Perplexity. Perplexity is an innovative search and answer engine designed to revolutionize how we access information. Unlike traditional search engines that inundate users with countless links, Perplexity delivers direct, precise answers to your queries using advanced natural language processing and contextual understanding. This smart AI tool makes information retrieval fast, accurate, and conversational, providing users with a seamless experience akin to chatting with a knowledgeable friend. By pulling from credible sources and maintaining the context of your questions, Perplexity ensures you get reliable and relevant information effortlessly. Let's add some zest and excitement to these features. 1. Instant Genie answers. Picture this. You're on a quest for knowledge, and Perplexity is your trusty genie in a digital bottle. Just like Aladdin with his magic lamp, you type your question, and in a puff of digital smoke, Perplexity grants your wish with lightning-fast answers. Abracadabra, knowledge at your fingertips. 2. Contextual wizardry. Ever felt like your search engine was a mind reader? Well, get ready to be amazed. Perplexity isn't just any search engine, it's a wizard of context. It's like having a mystical sage who not only listens to your questions, but also understands the deeper meaning behind them. With Perplexity, every conversation feels like a magical journey through the realms of knowledge. 3. Treasure chest of credible sources. Ahoy, matey! Prepare to embark on a digital treasure hunt with Perplexity as your captain. It navigates the vast seas of the internet, uncovering hidden gems of information from the most trusted sources. No more walking the plank of misinformation. With Perplexity, you're sailing smooth waters to the treasure trove of knowledge. 4. Time-saving sidekick. Tick-tock, time is ticking away, but fear not. Perplexity swoops in like a superhero sidekick, rescuing you from the clutches of wasted time. It's like having the Flash on your team, speeding through search results at lightning speed so you can get back to saving the world or binge watching your favorite show in no time. 5. Fun and friendly interface. Who says searching for answers has to be dull and dreary? Not with Perplexity. Its interface is more fun than a barrel of monkeys, with witty banter and delightful surprises around every corner. It's like having a mischievous imp as your search companion, turning every query into an adventure worth remembering. Once you are already familiar with the features of Perplexity AI, it only remains to apply those characteristics to enhance your content strategy. For this, we're going to cover a detailed overview of instructions to guide you throughout the journey. Step 1. Access Perplexity. Visit the Perplexity website or open the Perplexity app on your device. Step 2. Ask your question. Type your question or query into the search bar. Example: what is the capital of France? Step 3. Receive instant answer. Perplexity will provide an immediate response with the answer to your question. Step 4. Explore contextual understanding. Engage in a conversation by asking follow-up questions. Perplexity maintains context and provides relevant responses. Step 5. Enjoy fun features. Discover hidden surprises and Easter eggs within Perplexity's responses. Example: Perplexity might provide a fun fact or joke along with the answer. Step 6. Experiment with advanced features. Explore additional functionalities such as multilingual support and personalized recommendations. Example: try asking questions in different languages or request tailored suggestions based on your interests. Step 7. Join the community. Connect with other users, share knowledge, and participate in discussions within the Perplexity community. Step 8. Provide feedback. Help improve Perplexity by providing feedback on your user experience. Example: share suggestions for enhancements or report any issues encountered during your interaction. Step 9. Stay updated. Keep abreast of new features, updates, and announcements from Perplexity. Example: follow Perplexity on social media or subscribe to newsletters for the latest news. Step 10. Enjoy the journey. Embrace the joy of discovering information with Perplexity and have fun along the way. Example: explore diverse topics, challenge your curiosity, and delight in the adventure of learning. Now, since we're already aware of features and general instructions on using the tool, it is the time for answering the question, why Perplexity? Due to this, in this section we will embark on the different advantages of Perplexity. 1. Instant wisdom at your fingertips. Ever wish for a magic wand that instantly summons knowledge? With Perplexity, it's like having a spellbook of instant wisdom at your fingertips. No need to wait or wade through endless search results. Just ask, and presto, the answer appears like magic. 2. Contextual brilliance. Say goodbye to the frustration of repeating yourself. Perplexity isn't just smart, it's downright brilliant. It remembers the context of your questions, making every interaction feel like a seamless conversation with a genius friend who just gets you. 3. Reliable knowledge, no quest required. Who needs to embark on a quest for knowledge when you have Perplexity? It's like having a wise sage by your side, sifting through the noise of the internet to deliver reliable, trustworthy information right when you need it. No drive-ins to slay or riddles to solve, just pure, unadulterated knowledge. 4. Effortless exploration, endless adventure. With Perplexity, the journey of discovery is as exciting as the destination. Its playful interface and hidden surprises turn every search into an adventure, making learning feel more like a thrilling quest than a chore. Who knew searching for answers could be so much fun? 5. Community connection, knowledge sharing. They say knowledge is power, but sharing knowledge. That's where the real magic happens. Perplexity isn't just a search engine, it's a vibrant community of curious minds coming together to share insights, spark discussions, and learn from each other. With Perplexity, you're not just searching for answers, you're doing a quest for knowledge that's boundless, exhilarating, and oh so fun. Now you know your strengths and capabilities, it remains to answer the question of how to make the most of Perplexity. 1. Adventure planning extravaganza. Planning a thrilling adventure? Whether it's a cross-country road trip, a backpacking excursion through Europe, or a safari in Africa, Perplexity is your ultimate travel companion. From finding hidden gems to navigating local customs and cuisines, Perplexity will help you plan an unforgettable journey filled with excitement and discovery. 2. Creative inspiration galore. Stuck in a creative rut? Turn to Perplexity for a burst of inspiration. Whether you're writing a novel, composing a song, or crafting a piece of art, Perplexity can provide endless ideas, prompts, and insights to fuel your imagination and unleash your creativity. 3. Healthy living adventure. Embarking on a journey to better health and wellness? Let Perplexity be your guide. From healthy recipes and workout routines to mindfulness practices and self-care tips, Perplexity can help you navigate the path to a happier, healthier lifestyle with ease and enthusiasm. 4. Home improvement odyssey. Dreaming of transforming your space into a sanctuary? With Perplexity by your side, home improvement projects become exciting adventures. Whether you're redesigning a room, tackling DIY projects, or landscaping your backyard, Perplexity offers expert advice, creative ideas, and practical solutions to help you bring your vision to life. 5. Curiosity quest. Fuel your thirst for knowledge with a curiosity quest powered by Perplexity. Explore the depths of history, unravel the mysteries of science, dive into the world of literature, and discover fascinating facts about the universe and everything in it. With Perplexity as your guide, every question becomes a thrilling adventure into the unknown. Sadly to say, you will also face some downsides of Perplexity for which you need to be careful about while making decisions for way forward. 1. Tech overload tumble. Ever felt like you're living in a world where gadgets have taken over? Perplexity might just add to that sensation. Relying too heavily on this digital oracle could leave us feeling like we're swimming in a sea of technology with our trusty critical thinking skills left high and dry on the shore. Remember, sometimes the best answers come from our own noggin, not just the AI genie in the digital bottle. 2. Privacy pirouette. Picture this. Your deepest, darkest secrets whispered into the digital ears of Perplexity. It's like inviting a well-meaning but nosy neighbor into your home. You never know who might overhear. While Perplexity aims to be your helpful friend, sharing too much could turn into a privacy pirouette, leaving you feeling exposed and vulnerable in the spotlight. 3. Human connection hiccup. Ah, the sweet sound of human voices mingling, laughter echoing, and connections blossoming. But wait, what's that? It's the faint hum of Perplexity in the background, quietly stealing the spotlight. While this digital wizard is undeniably helpful, relying too heavily on its charms could lead to a hiccup in our human connections, leaving us longing for the warmth of real-life conversations and the magic of face-to-face interactions. Remember, while Perplexity is a fascinating tool, it's important to strike a balance and keep the magic of human connection alive and well in our lives. In conclusion, Perplexity stands as a beacon of innovation in our ever-evolving digital landscape, offering a glimpse into the limitless potential of artificial intelligence to enhance our lives and broaden our horizons. Yet, amidst the marvels of its technological prowess, let us not forget the human spirit of curiosity and wonder that drives our quest for knowledge. Here's a fascinating fact to ponder. Did you know that Perplexity's algorithms are inspired by the way humans learn and understand language? By mimicking the complexities of human cognition, Perplexity is able to navigate the nuances of natural language with remarkable accuracy, bringing us one step closer to bridging the gap between man and machine. So as we marvel at the wonders of Perplexity and the boundless possibilities it presents, let us also celebrate the enduring spirit of exploration and discovery that unites us all. For in the quest for knowledge, both human and artificial intelligence alike, the journey is just as enriching as the destination. And that's a wrap for today, folks. I trust you enjoyed diving into the fascinating world of Perplexity as much as I did guiding you through it. But guess what? The adventure doesn't have to end here. Stay tuned for more mind-bending insights and captivating content by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore the realms of possibility, and make the impossible possible together.